Hi everyone, I am Anju and welcome to my channel Excel Made Easy. Here you will learn Excel in the simplest and most practical way, from basic features to advanced functions and real-world tricks. Let's master Excel together.
While working with multiple sheets in Excel, sometimes you might have identified that a data exists in both the sheets, but still Excel is not able to return you the result. What could be the reason for this? In this today's video, we are going to identify the problem and rectify it. So we take an example over here for customer transactions and customer master sheets. And in the customer transaction for the month, we have seen the customers are entered and their mobile numbers are there. In the customer master, we are maintaining the customer mobile number as well as their address and city. So mobile number exists in both the sheets, and I want to find out the common customers from the two sheets. But when I try to do that, Excel is not going to give me the result. Let us identify the reason. In the customer transaction, the mobile numbers are entered in numeric form, while as in customer master, the mobile numbers exist in the text form. So that is why even if a mobile number exists in both the sheets, your Excel result will not come. So any VLOOKUP function, any other feature you apply to find out this number, it will not be able to give you. So what is the solution for this? The solution is that in both the sheets, either we convert mobile numbers into numeric or we convert them into text. What is the ideal way? Actually, mobile numbers are not used for any mathematical calculations. So better is that we can store both the sheets mobile numbers as text. In master, it's already text. So we are going to convert this in the transaction sheet where we select all the mobile numbers and now we convert them into text. But how are we going to do that? Sometimes people try to do format and then apply a text format to it. But by doing this, are we actually converting the mobile numbers into text? Not at all. Reason, when the data was entered, the data type of this mobile number was already stored as numeric. So by changing the format, you are not actually changing the data type. So the right method is not by changing the format. This remains as general only, but the data actually has to be rewritten. It has to be re-entered. But that seems to be a tedious task if you have lakhs of numbers like this. So what is the method that is going to help us in doing this? In the data tab, we have a feature called as text to columns. The actual purpose of this text to columns feature is to split a single column data into multiple columns. That is not my purpose right now, but this feature I am going to use to change the data type of a selected data. So it is a 3-step feature where I do not actually use first and second step. Reason I'm not splitting the data. So I just click on next and next. And now here we are on the 3rd step. In the column data format, we will choose text because the data is going to be rewritten in this after this step. So what we are going to specify to Excel that for the selected column, the format is going to be text. And that is what you can see in the preview. Destination will be C2, which is my original data location. So it means the data will be written back to the same location. We click on finish to complete this process. And let's see what has happened to the mobile numbers now. They are actually converted to text. So you can notice from the information icon also numbers stored as text. So this time the mobile numbers have become text. Even in the master, they were text. So both the sheets data matches now, and you will be able to work with that using lookup functions and all. Excel is going to give you the result by finding out it through the lookup functions. So I hope this is going to resolve a lot of problems in your data.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.